Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything that I picked up during the Nykaa Holi sale. So I am not wearing any makeup right now because I want to try on everything that I got, and also there aren't a lot of things. So let's just jump right into it. The first thing that I got is actually a new launch from Neutrogena that I was super excited to try. This is their Sheer Zinc Dry Touch Sunscreen with 50+. Summer's already here and you guys should know that it is so important to wear sunscreen. I was actually watching Tati's video and she had got Scott Barnes, who is JLo's makeup artist, and he actually used the Ultra Sheer, the spray one, all over her body to give her that natural glow, and I was like, oh my god, I have that. And yeah, if you guys would want to try that out, please do. You can also buy the Ultra Sheer spray, the spray sunscreen, and you can use it as like an overall highlight on your body because it really leaves a nice natural glow. Sorry, that was like a random anecdote, but this is their new one. It says that it's their Sheer Zinc Pure Screen Broad Spectrum UVA UVB Ultra Light Silky Finish Oil Free. So I was sold. Let me try this for the first time. I'm excited. I've always really liked Neutrogena from the drugstore side of skincare. Really think their products work well. So I'm just going to take a little bit onto the back of my hand just to see the consistency. It's nice and thick. It feels like a sunblock. It is pretty thick and matte, I can tell. I hope it does not leave like a white cast. You wouldn't like the texture of this if you have a very dry skin. And it does leave a little bit of a white cast, and it does feel nice on the skin. It's not bad. I like it. I need to use it a couple more times to kind of give like a proper review on it, but it's nice. It's settled in quite well on my skin. Okay, so the next thing that I'm actually going to talk about is this. I was actually very excited. Ooh, the Sunscreen Tingles a bit. This is from Makeup Revolution. I actually got two things from them, and both of them are their base products. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation and the same concealer. I am so excited to try this. I got the shade 10.5 in the foundation and I got the shade C11 in the concealer. I really hope that the shade is a match because it is so hard to shop for foundations online, and it comes with a wand like this, a sponge wand. I think it would be nice to kind of use this to spread the foundation all over your face. I really hope the shade is a match. It's quite thick, the foundation, and I am just applying this all over my face. Quite like the wand. I think it's very easy to apply the foundation using this. Oh, this is so nice. I put it in my mouth. Should stop talking while I do my makeup. But I really like this wand. Why don't more foundations are packaged this way? And I have a feeling that the shade is going to be a good match. I'm just using this MAC 127 brush, I think. Yeah, 127S. It's also really easy to blend. That's a really high coverage. I haven't worn a high coverage foundation in a long time. I think this would work better with a sponge, a wet sponge, but I don't have one close to me, so I'm just going to use my brush. But it does sit really well on my skin. I really like this. You guys can check this out. Now let's try the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. Again, comes with the wand packaging, and I'm just going to apply a couple of dots underneath my eyes. I really like the consistency. Super easy to blend. That's so nice. That's a really nice concealer. I like it. It is a bit of a heavy coverage, So if you are not used to that, then this might be a little heavy for you. But if you are looking for a foundation to wear for, say, taking good pictures or for going to events, then this would actually work really well. I'm just setting it with some powder because it's really hot right now and I do not want my makeup to melt. Okay, so moving on, I have the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is the rose gold one. It's called Molten Rose Gold, and you guys know how much I've used the Molten Gold, so I decided it was time to try the other one out as well. I love the color. Guys, look at that color. It is so pretty. Oh my god, look at that shine. I love this. I really like the Maybelline highlighters. I'm gonna drench my whole face with it. I was kind of unsure about how this color would look on my skin, but it actually looks really nice. See where the sun is hitting my face? See how reflective that is? So that's it. I am really impressed. You guys should definitely check this one out. So the next thing I got is from Parachute. This is their coconut creme oil, and this is like a pre-wash hair conditioner kind of a thing, like oil in cream kind of a thing. And I thought this would be the perfect thing to try before Holi. I think I'm going to use this all over my hair, and since it's not that sticky like oil, so it'll be very easy to spread this without having that really oily look going on in my hair while I'm playing Holi. And I thought that this is something that is inexpensive and something you guys could try as well if you're looking forward to a product that you could use before Holi or before playing Holi. And another thing that I actually got is from Simple. This is their Micellar cleansing wipes. I actually have finished another packet of this. I have been traveling with it. This is the cleansing facial wipe, which is something that you guys should definitely try. It's one of the best wipes I have ever tried, and oh my god, this is amazing. It cleanses everything, even like waterproof makeup and any foundation, any dust, grime. And what I like about this is that the wipes are actually really wet and it has so much product in it, so it's really nice. And I'm almost done with it. It used to be around the same size as this and I've used it so much, so I decided to get the Micellar one just so that I can try like some more variants. Last but not the least, I have an eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution. This is their Power Hungry Glitter Paste, and it is so stunning. Do you see that? It's a proper paste and just wet glitter, which I think would be really easy to apply and spread on all over your eyelid. And I'm actually not going to touch it now because I don't want everything to be glittery, and I'm definitely doing like a makeup tutorial using just this and some of the other products that I picked up. I'm just making sure that I haven't missed anything. No, I think that's all that I picked up for the Holi sale. I really hope you enjoyed this short. I hope it's short. I feel like I've been talking too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys bought during the sale in the comments down below. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing Holi. I wish you all a very happy Holi and sending you all my love and positive vibes. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.